In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Word document into a PDF completely free using JOPDF. JOPDF is freely available. You can access it from here. You can download it and install it on your PC. It's completely free to download and install. So I've downloaded and installed mine. So I'm going to open my Word document. So I say I have this assignment in Word document. I can come to create a PDF from Word. So let's say I can go to File, where I can go to Convert. I can say Office to PDF, for example, because this is a Word document. You can just move ahead. Let's say I go to Dam Design Assignment. I can just open it in here. You can specify the location of the output. You can keep it at the source file, or you can do custom, which I'm going to do to the desktop. And go ahead and click on Kickstart, and it's going to convert this document into PDF. So this document has been converted into PDF, just like you can see in here, and you can go to the location and you will still find it exactly converted into PDF. That is on the desktop, and you can see it in here, converted to PDF assignment. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.